Hello and welcome to this class. Today we're going to be doing a question in QuickBooks, that is accounting. Our question will come from a past paper that was did on 2017 by the November students. Then this is our question. It says Kigecha Timber Merchants Limited of PO Box 306025 00250 Misitu is a timber merchant. Record the following financial details and transactions for the company using an accounting program for the year starting 1st November 2016. Then we have the workshop equipment, the motor vehicles, we have the debtors, creditors, the bank, cash, we have the stock. Then we are required to perform these transactions that were done during the months of November and December 2016. We are required to do the cash sales, the cash purchases, the credit purchases, the invoices, expenses paid by cash. We have other transactions. We have payments made or received. Then lastly we are going to generate and print the reports, that is the balancing sheet, the profit and loss account, and the trial balance. So we can now start our question. We are going to open a QuickBook. Then we enter a new company. Then we start our company name. It's Kigecha Timber Merchant Limited. Then it's a timber merchant, so we can choose it. We can choose company. We can choose our company. Let's go with the legal services. Okay, then the company type, we can say it's a sole proprietorship. Then continue. Okay, then the address. What is the address? The address is PO Box 0200. Then the city is Misitu. Then the PO Box, as the country, we can say it's Kenya. It's timber. Then we can create company file. Yes. start working. Then before we start working, you can set the currencies. To Kenyan shillings. Okay, it's done. Then you can set the physical year. And setting the physical year, we open the company, then company information. Then on this edge here, we're going to feed the month, that is November. In the text here, it's November. Then okay, then we can now start working in the charts of account. Let's create the charts of account. Okay, then create new. Workshop equipment is an asset, so we choose quick assets, then continue. Account name, you can say it's workshop equipment. Then the opening balance is 4,100,000. Then at the start of November 1st, 2016. Then we can save this, we can copy to make our work easier. Then okay, then we can save and new. Then we can call this depreciation. Then this is a sub account of workshop equipment. No, there isn't a depreciation. This is motor vehicles. Motor vehicles. Then the opening balance is 2350,000 at the start of that date. Then we can save and new. Yes. Then we want to create bank, that is BK-Misitu. Then we have cash. Then remember, on bank Misitu, this is a credit, so we will feed it as negative value. I will feed it as negative 286,520. Then the account type is bank, so we change it. Then this is BK-Misitu. Then the opening balance is a negative, so it's negative. Negative 286,520. I think it's that way. Then this now we are going to save and close. Yes. Then we can now create the datas and vendors. On datas we are going to enter customers, then on creditors we are going to enter vendors. We start by creating customer center, then new customer, it's Msasa Furnitures, Msasa Furnitures. It's that date, then the opening balance is 340,000. Okay. Yes. Then we have another customer known as Kurura Designers. This is the date. And the opening balance is 206,000. Then okay, and we save it. Then we have vendor center. Of the vendors, our vendors are Migogo, Logas Limited and Kivu Hardwares. Migogo Logas, so we have Migogo Logas Limited. The opening balance is 440,000. Then the date, you can say it's this date. Then we can save. Okay. Now we have another vendor. Our vendor is Kivu Hardhoods. The opening balance is 625,000 as of this date. As of this date. Then we save. Yes. Then we go to this one. We have the stock. Now on the stock, we are going first to create the lists of this stock here, that is timber. So we are going to edit first, then preferences, and on this category of items and inventory we turn this on, then okay. Turn it on. After turning it on, we go to lists, then item lists, then new,